Welcome back, students. Today we are going to study something very important topic, and that is noun, gender, right? So let's start. Gender. Do you know what is gender? Gender is a term used to make differentiate between male and female, right? What is gender? Gender is a term that is used to identify is it male or female, right? Gender is a term that is used to identify male and female. And how many types of gender? Four types of gender. How many types of gender? Four types of gender: masculine, feminine, common, and neuter. There are four types of gender. Feminine gender. Okay, I'll show you a picture. Who is she? She's a baby girl, right? Who is she? She is a baby girl. And now I'll show you a picture again. Who is he? He's a boy, right? Who is he? He is a boy. So, what do you understand by these pictures? You understand that masculine gender indicates male and feminine gender indicates female. Okay? So, here, who is she? She's queen, right? Who is she? She is queen and she is feminine gender. And who is he? He is king, right? Who is he? He is king, and king is a masculine gender. Moving to the next one. Who is he? It's lion, right? And who is she? She is lioness. Yeah? Opposite of lion is known as lioness, right? And who is he? He is fox. And who is she? She is vixen, right? Opposite of fox. Who is he? He is deer. And who is she? She is doe. Opposite of deer, right? She is a doe. D-O-E. Is it clear? Moving to the next one. What is masculine gender? We had already discussed in the previous slide. A noun that denotes a male, right? A noun that denotes a male is called masculine gender. Like his. He is a man, he is a boy. So it denotes a male. That's why it's a masculine gender. Lion. Lion is also a masculine gender. King is also a masculine gender. Horse is also a masculine gender. Dog is also a masculine gender, and hero is also a masculine gender, because they are indicating, these words are indicating, or these nouns are indicating male. That's why these are masculine gender. Okay. Feminine gender. Feminine gender, a noun that denotes a female, is called feminine gender. For example, woman. Woman is a feminine gender. Lioness. Lioness is also a feminine gender, and here you can see the picture of a queen, and she is also a feminine gender, right? And lioness is here. Heroine is also a feminine gender, and she is mare, right? Opposite of horse. Opposite of horse is known as mare, and opposite of dog is known as bitch. Okay. Moving to the next one. Common gender. What is common gender? Common gender nouns are nouns that are used for both males and females. Okay. For example, pilot. Pilot may be a girl and pilot may be a boy also, right? That's why we cannot say certainly whether pilot is a boy or girl. That is used for both. That's why pilot is a common gender. I'll show you a picture. You all can see that she is a lady pilot, right? Yes, doctor. Doctor may be a lady and doctor may be a girl also, right? So it's a common gender that is used for both. That is used for both identification. This one, lecturer. Lecturer is also used for males and females. Okay. Dancer. Dancer is also known as common gender. They are used for both males and females. I think it's clear to all of you, right? And it's very cute. Who is here? Can you tell me? It's a male or female? Right, it's very difficult to identify to a baby whether it is male or female. That's why we keep put it in the common gender. Okay, I'll show you next slide here. Neuter gender. You know, a noun that denotes a lifeless things means a things which are not having life is known as neuter gender. Can you tell me book are having life or not? No, books are not having life, right? That's why they comes in the category of neuter gender because they are not having life, right? Bottle, bag, you know, there are many things which are not having life. That's why they come in the category of neuter gender. Okay, so they are neither they are neither male nor female, right? You cannot keep in the category of male or nor female, right? And the one more thing, that is lifeless, right? They are not having any kind of life, and those things are example of neuter gender. For example, I'll show you a picture here. Okay, just tell me, book asked water to you to drink. Are they asked dinner? No, because they are lifeless things, right? They are having no life. So that's why they are keep in the category of neuter gender. The next one is wall. Wall is also a neuter gender. Shoe is also a neuter gender. Okay, the next one is we have to sort out the things. Here some words are given and you have to you have to sort it according to their identity, whether it is masculine, whether it is feminine, whether it is neuter or common. Okay, let's start. So milkman. Milkman, you all can see man is written here, na? So man is used to identify, man is used to denote male, right? That's why milkman is a masculine gender. The next one is groom. Groom means dulha, and that is also denoting a male one, right? So it's a masculine gender. The next one is emperor. Yes, emperor is also masculine. Athlete. Athlete is a common gender, right? Athlete can be a lady, athlete can be a boy. So athlete is a common gender. The next one is king. King is masculine gender. Okay. Headmistress. Headmistress is a feminine gender. Okay. Milkmaid is written here. Milkmaid is feminine gender. Okay. Queen, we know that it's indicating a female, it's a feminine gender. Bride is also a feminine gender. Okay, empress also a feminine gender. Leader, yes, leader is a common gender. Leader can be a lady, leader can be a man, right? Cousin, yes, cousin is a common. Cousin may be a boy, cousin may be a girl. Yes, neighbor. Neighbor can be a lady, neighbor can be a man. So neighbor is also used for both male and female. That's why we are keeping it in the common gender. Okay. The next one is doctor. Yes, doctor is also a common gender, right? And the next one is barber. Yes, barber is also a common gender. Okay, barber can be she may be a lady and she may be a man also. Yes, wood is not having any kind of life, that's why it's a neuter gender. Now lifeless things are known as neuter gender. And the next one I'll show you here, that is box, and the next one is paper. Moving to the next one. Yes, underline the nouns, write their gender, right? My nephew is an artist. Okay, so you have to underline only the noun, not all the sentence. Okay, so just tell me which one is what is noun here? Nephew, right? Nephew is noun here, so you have to underline this. Okay, let's do it. We had underlined it. Okay, just tell me nephew is a male or female. You have to identify his male, you have to identify it is male or female. So it's a male, masculine, right? And the opposite of nephew is known as niece. Niece. Nephew means bhatija and niece means bhatiji. The next one is lioness. Okay, lioness attacked the mare. So here what is lioness? Lioness means it's indicating the opposite of lion, right? Opposite of lion means lion to male ho gaya, so it is female, na? It's feminine gender. Okay, and the opposite of horse is known as mare, right? So mare is also a feminine gender. Dogs are male, so it's a masculine gender. Kennels, what is kennel? Kennels are neuter gender, na? That they are lifeless things. The next one is vixen. The opposite of fox is known as vixen. So vixen is a feminine gender. And the bush, what is written here? Bush. Bush is known as neuter gender. Question number 5. We respect our parents. So just tell me, where is noun in the sentence? Yes, parents. So just tell me, parents is a proper noun or common noun or masculine. Okay, so it's a common gender. What is parents? Parents are common gender, right? क्योंकि जब हम parent बोलते हैं तो parent means मम्मी पापा दोनों, right? एंड दैट इज़ यूज फॉर मम्मी के लिए भी पापा के लिए भी. सपोज आपकी पेरेंट मीटिंग होती है तो पेरेंट में कभी आपके मम्मी आते हैं कभी आपके पापा भी आते हैं, तो पेरेंट्स इज यूज फॉर बोथ ना. सो इट्स अ कॉमन जेंडर. द नेक्स्ट वन इज ही इज अ सेल्फिश पर्सन. Person may be a female, person may be a male. So it's the combination of both. That's why it's a common gender. Okay. The next one is she is a famous author. She is a famous author. So it's a feminine gender. It's written wrong here. Let me correct this one. It's a feminine gender. F-E-M-I-N-I-N-E, na? Feminine gender. The next one is landlady gave her own furniture to use. So landlady is a feminine, right? अगर landlord होता it means it's a masculine, but here lady is written, so it's a feminine gender. And furniture means it's a neuter gender because it's not having any kind of life. I think it's clear to all of you. Now moving to the next one. Yes, it's very interesting and you have to just match. And I think the concept is very clear to all of you. So, stag. The opposite of stag, just tell me. Yes, it's hind. Opposite of stag is hind. Wizard, that is witch. The next one is monk. Opposite of monk is nun. Fox. Opposite of fox is vixen. Drone. Feminine gender of drone is bee. Feminine gender of buck is doe. Feminine gender of nephew is niece. Feminine gender of waiter is waitress. Feminine gender of colt is filly. Feminine gender of stepfather is stepmother. Feminine gender of duke is duchess. Okay, now just tell me what's the feminine gender of widower. That is widow. Okay. Let's solve. Now I need your help and you have to also do with me. Change the gender of the underlined words and rewrite the sentence. You know what is written here? He. Okay, he is used for man or female? Yes, he is used for man. So what do we use for girl? She. Right? So what will be the complete sentence? She was a great emperor. Na? Emperor means that is again man. Emperor is used for man. So what will we write here? We will write here empress, right? Empress. Okay, student. So you have to change he into she, emperor into empress. So what will be the correct sentence? She was a great empress. Okay. The monks. Okay. What's the feminine gender of the monks? That is nun. No? The nuns were praying. The next one is niece. Niece is used for feminine gender. So just tell me what is masculine gender of niece. Yes, we had already discussed. So just tell me. It is nephew. What do we know? What do we call it? We call it nephew. So what will we write here? My nephew is a salesman. Okay. Boy. Boy will convert into girl. The girl has topped in the exam. The next one is king is written here. So the opposite of king is queen. What's the opposite of king? That is queen. Okay. And what is the opposite of prince? The opposite of prince is princess. Okay. What is the opposite of prince? That's a princess. And you have to tell me what will be the new sentence. The king and the princess, and the opposite of horse is known as mares. Okay. Madam. No? What is the masculine gender of madam? That is sir. So please allow my uncle is written here. We will change it into aunt. No? So please allow my aunt to send my parent teacher meeting. Right? And question number 7, you all can say sentence number 7 is, the waiter was serving tea to the gentleman. So what is the feminine gender of waiter? Waitress. Waitress was serving to the lady. Okay, gentleman is written here and feminine gender of gentleman is lady. Their son is a poet. Son, opposite of son is daughter, and opposite of poet is poetess. So their daughter is a poetess. I think it's clear to all of you. If you have any query, you can ask me. And yes, I had given a task, a task is given to you, and you have to complete that task. You have to just think and you have to reply only in the chat box, and I'm waiting for your response. You have to find out the feminine genders of following. What do we call, what do we call the feminine gender of donkey, leopards, peacock, ships, kangaroo, right? So here it's written feminine and it is a wrong. You have to just find out the gender. Find out the genders of the following. What is the question? Question is, find out the genders of the following. You have to find out the gender of donkey, you have to find out the gender of leopards, you have to find out the gender of peacocks, and you have to find out the gender of sheep and kangaroo also. Okay, moving to the next one. Thank you, bacho. And if you like my video, like it, share it, and subscribe it also. And you also can share with your friends if you think it is useful.